What's up, Catskill? It's Maddie.
And Kaylee.
And here's the Catskill News. Spring sports are here.
Started this week.
Gyms are full.
Wish we were outside.
Soon enough.
Spring's coming.
Catskill's theatrical performance of Sister Act is showing this weekend. Tickets are $10 for adults, $8 for students and seniors. Tickets are available online. It's a must-see show spectacular.
Greene County Family Court is supporting our students by starting a prom closet. Tuxes and prom dresses will be available for students. See Ms. Bouchane for more information or Ms. Hendrickson at the county.
The annual Martin Luther King March for Peace and Justice is an important event held here at Catskill.
During the Civil Rights Movement, organizers of peaceful civil disobediences met at local churches where they asked the Lord for his blessing and protection before they marched off to face Bull Connor and his dogs and the fire hoses of the Department of Public Safety. In memory of the role played by the church and movement, we, like the protesters, start our march at a church. During the 1950s and 1960s, the Southern States courts supported the Jim Crow laws. The civil rights protesters had to convince the legislators that segregation was morally and legally wrong.
Thank you very much. My name is Melissa Barrow, and I am the proud and very honored new superintendent of Catskill Central School District, so thank you. And today I just wanted to start with the opening remarks to say that today we focus on the life and the great work of Reverend Dr. Martin Luther King and his focus on equity and justice for all. For Black and Brown students, for Native Americans, and also for those who are in poverty regardless of their color and their religion or background.
The National Honor Society will host the American Red Cross Blood Drive on Wednesday, April 5th here at Catskill. Please consider giving a life-saving donation to help save lives. Thank you.
Teachers, make sure you hand out your PBIS tickets to students who are being safe, respectful, responsible, and self-aware.
Catskill High School FCCLA participates in a ton of community service activities each year.
As humans, our ability to focus is one of the most powerful tools we possess. We can direct our attention towards a specific goal or task and with determination achieve remarkable feats. Take, for example, our preparation of 150 baked goods for family baskets in 2 different community projects. This act of kindness not only brought joy to the recipients, but has also helped build a stronger sense of community. Our next project involves the management of a hygiene closet for students in need. This small but powerful gesture ensures that students have access to basic necessities that may otherwise be unattainable. In addition to our local contributions, we have also extended our focus on the global community. We recognized the Board of Education with muffins, marched in the MLK walk, and provided hot refreshments at the end of that walk. We also fundraised to build a well in Africa, which equated to 20% of the overall cost. For our focus on animals, our chapter harvested apples. Afterward, we set off work, peeling, coring, and cooking the apples into a flavorful applesauce for sale. The proceeds of the applesauce sale were then donated to the Columbia Green Humane Society in the amount of $150. As we all know, bees play a critical role in pollinating the plants that make up our ecosystem. But did you know that bees are endangered due to habitat loss and the use of pesticides? That's why our chapter came together to make a difference by planting bulbs in our community and school hive. Through our unwavering focus on making the world a better place, we've proven through determination, kindness, and a clear goal we can achieve extraordinary things.
Providing a valuable service to our community and teaching our future leaders.
We are supporting Coach Landman and his beautiful daughter by getting Tatum Strong t-shirts. Student shirts are $15 and adults $20. Contact Miss Flannery and comment on the amount of sizes you'd like to purchase. Or you can see Miss Castellino for ordering information. # Tatum Strong.
Our iWorks students continue to complete their final projects in impressive fashion. Alessia Salerno interviewed her sister Kiana, one of our former team members, on her college experiences.
Hi, this is my sister Kiana, and I'm going to be interviewing her on her college experience. How are you today?
Good, how are you?
Good. Okay. What college are you attending?
I'm attending Marist College.
Was it hard for you to adjust to college?
It was definitely challenging at first. I was just so used to being home and seeing my family every single day. So going from that to barely seeing them at all was definitely hard, but after a few weeks, it got better.
How was your academics in college?
They were pretty good. It was definitely more challenging than high school for sure, and you're definitely on your own, so you need to be able to adjust to a whole new mentality.
What class do you think prepared you most for college?
I feel the class that prepared me the most was probably college bio. That was through Co-Green, so it was actually a college course that helped me understand the workload of what college would bring and how more in-depth the material would be.
What helped you make your decision?
Honestly, as soon as I stepped foot on campus, I just fell in love with Marist. Just the beautiful, the vibe, honestly, the people that were there. It had exactly what I was looking for to help me prepare for my future, and the fact that it was pretty close to home. So if I decided I wanted to come home on weekends, I could do that.
What did you miss the most?
Seeing you. Being with my family. We were a very close family, so it was definitely hard going in with all that change. But I still come home on weekends, obviously, so it works out. You should be okay.
And last question, what advice would you give others to succeed in college?
Definitely work on your time management skills. Like I said, you're on your own, so make up a routine for the day. Say you're gonna get this done in a day, have a plan. And definitely surround yourself with people that want to see you succeed and that you want to succeed as well, because having that definitely gives you the support and you can push each other to achieve your goals. So I was very lucky to have a close friend group that we are together with. Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you for having me. Roll Red Foxes.
Excellent work, Alessia, and welcome to the Catskill News Team.
Here is Mr. Shah with his weekly address to our students and community.
Hey, Catskill High School, it's Mr. Shah. We have a big weekend here at the high school as we are premiering Sister Act. It's Friday at St. Patrick's Day, and we're super excited to see all the great shows this weekend. Make sure you get tickets online. It's going to be a great show. Next week, we will be in week 2 of spring sports. Make sure you are cleared with the nurse to participate. And also next Thursday's Future Freshman Night, we're going to welcome the class of 2027 here as incoming 9th graders for next year. That's all for today. Have a great day, weekend, and of course, as always, go Cats. Thank you.
Seniors, there are a ton of scholarships available. Please take a moment to review and consider taking advantage of the free money provided by our generous donors.
Future Freshman Night will be on Thursday, March 23rd at 6 p.m. School clubs and sports set up booths in the cafeteria so current 8th graders can sign up. Another excellent program at CHS.
Here's our CNC Sports team debating on their NCAA brackets.
Welcome back, Cats Nation, to our first ever CNC Sports Bracketology Edition. Today we'll be going over our round of 64. All right. So with game 1, Alabama, Texas A&M, we got Alabama.
Yes.
The second game, Maryland, West Virginia. This game could go either way. West Virginia is actually favored in Vegas right now. That's why I have West Virginia.
Oh, I got Maryland.
I got West Virginia, so you're outvoted.
Maryland got pretty close, so.
You heard the man with the autofill bracket. Next up, San Diego State versus Charleston. Charleston is a team that plays with pace, even though they're a 12 seed. They shoot the ball well, and they're an older team. And this is a 12 versus 5 matchup. Since like in the last 20 years, a 12 seed always beats a 5 seed in the round of 64. At least once. So that's why I picked Charleston.
Yeah, well, autofill says otherwise. So
Yeah,
San Diego's winning.
Nah, Charleston, I like Charleston just because of the name. Looks good to me, so on to the next round.
Shout out Charleston. Virginia Furman. Shout out Furman for being here. You're not going to be here long, though.
Where is Furman?
Texas?
Wow, I thought that was Kentucky, but.
It could be. It could be. Southern Saints.
Something like that.
Next game,
We didn't say who's going to win, though. It's Virginia.
Virginia.
Yeah, I got Furman.
No way. No, you're like, what?
You're going to break your bracket in the first round?
That is a bracket breaker. No, his whole thing is a bracket breaker. We're not even going to get into that. Creighton versus NC State. Shout out Indiana. Ryan Kalkbrenner, the Creighton big man. He's been there a while. Great shot blocker. Great team player. Got Creighton.
Really?
Yep.
Wow. My great-grandkids live in NC State, so I got NC State, baby.
Shout out Mackay III. Mackay Henry III. Baylor versus UC Santa Barbara. UC Santa Barbara, they could be a Cinderella team this year. I've heard some rumblings about them. Baylor's got a very good backcourt, though. I'm going Baylor.
They're going to lose. Baylor's going to lose.
I'm going Baylor. I don't even know. I never heard of that team in my life, so we're going Baylor.
Yo, where is UC Santa Barbara? Any guesses?
California.
Santa Barbara.
There we go, California. Missouri versus Utah State. Utah State, another team, plays with pace, shoots the ball well. That is a big characteristic with these seeds that could upset guys. So that's why, actually, I have Missouri here. But a lot of people are picking Utah State in this game. What do you guys got?
I got Utah State. I know some guys from Utah, and they stroked that thing. So we're going Utah State. What about you?
Missouri.
Okay.
Sad as that.
Arizona versus Princeton.
Princeton.
Yep.
I'm just playing.
Okay, we're picking the schools that we can't get into. Princeton no longer runs that Princeton offense, and they're a 15 seed, therefore Arizona by 50.
Wow. I agree.
Okay. Purdue versus Texas Southern or FDU. Texas Southern. I don't know, dude.
I'm going Purdue all day.
Yeah,
I
got Purdue.
Yeah, who wants to go to FDU?
There was also actually a kid from Saugerties, New York, who played in March Madness, who played at FDU. You guys, you know that?
Oh, congrats to that kid.
Yeah. Memphis versus FAU. Carter, if you can guess what FAU stands for, I'll give you $1.
It's like the Florida AAU squad.
Close.
I know it was in Florida. Florida JUCO.
Close. It actually stands for Florida Atlantic. And I have...
What's the U, though?
University. Yeah. That's it for this week. Tune in next week for our round of 32 predictions.
Cast Nation, that's right.
That's right.
But what do you call a can opener that doesn't work?
Spaghetti.
Yes. A can opener.
Thanks for watching. That's Cat and Catskill.